this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money in a bear market. Yes, you can make money when crypto's going down. And I'm going to even show you proof that right now I'm up nearly $4,000 in right now. We're in a bear trend. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're up more than 4,000 right now. We're up $5,000 and it's going to fluctuate. So here's a proof and I'll go through the trade on this specific trade and what I did and how I make money right now. Crypto is going down. Yes, we're on a little bit of a bounce. That's why I entered my trade. And as you can see, guys, we are up $5,000. I always like to lead with proof. And you can see this is not a demo account. If it was a demo account, it would say demo here. 1 second. Let me just put my shot on my screen. Yes, so you guys know, and you can always be aware, if someone's trading on a demo account and they're trying to fool you, it would say demo here. Where it says buy long and sell short, it would say demo. And on the left-hand side, it would also say a demo account. So as you can see, this is a live account. So let me jump straight in and teach you guys how to do it. So right now, as you can see, we are on a downtrend, right? I'm going to keep it super simple. And unlike many people on YouTube, guys, they're not teaching you how to do it. They're just flexing on you and selling you something. I ain't selling you nothing. I've got no course to sell you. I just want to teach you this. This stuff has changed my life and I want it to change yours too. All right, so as you can see, let's go. First of all, when I start my day, I like to see what is the overall trend. And as you can see, the overall trend is down. We're going down, all right? And hourly, we're going down. Yesterday, we had a little bit of a rally, and you could tell we are cooling off now, all right? So let's break it down. Price is fractal, always remember that. So I went from the 4 hourly and then what's going on in the 15 minutes. So I could see, started my day. I could see Ethereum was on the downtrend, but look at this, guys. It broke market structure, all right? Very simple stuff. It was going down. It respected this line. It's actually called liquidity line because it's coming, every time it touches here, it's getting liquidity. Retail, normal people would say it's just a trend line. No, it's more than that. It's actually grabbing liquidity because people know that it's a trend line and it will come in back here. So it's the market makers are just grabbing liquidity on this liquidity line. Okay, so you see here, guys, right here. Let me just get it to the 5 minutes candle. I want to show you something. This is very important. So this is how you enter and exit trades. This here, this yellow box, I put this there because this is called a fair value gap. You see this wick doesn't close below here. There's a gap. So this wick and this wick, you see that gap? There's a gap there. So there's a fair value gap. Because it's going down, it's classed as a bearish fair value gap. All right? But if you see this fair value gap get broken through, all right? It breaks through the fair value gap. It shows me that this structure is no longer bearish. This is a bearish structure. Fair value gaps are bearish. If the green candles go through a fair value gap, the chances are very high it's going to go up to find some liquidity up here. All right? It's got its liquidity down here, so it's already grabbed liquidity. Always think of trading as grabbing liquidity. It grabs liquidity from low to high. And I will show you on another video liquidity. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to start teaching you guys daily, bi-daily, all the terminology that you need and to make you a profitable trader. But right now, I'm just introducing you to the basic market structure. I explained liquidity and I'll tell you liquidity in the next one. But basic market structure, downtrend. This is the fair value gap. We broke through it. It's bullish, okay? I believe it will come back down here now, test this fair value gap, and then go back up to grab some more liquidity, because the market, these green candles cannot continue to keep going up. So I want to exit. This is going to be my exit. It's going to be, I know it's not going to break this because it's already showed me that there's buyers up here. So it has no reason to break this fair value gap, but it will retest it. And then as it retest it, it's going to go back up to grab more liquidity up here. All right, because remember, the market just likes to grab liquidity from up and down. All right. So let me teach you guys how you can put on the trades yourself. All right. So very simple stuff, guys. You download blofin. There's a link in the description. Okay. As I said, I'm going to be teaching you loads of stuff on here, but this is the fair value gap. This is the easiest personally, I say, strategy out there is when you see I'm going to keep it very simple, candles going down, you see a break in market structure, and it breaks through a fair value gap, especially on New York session times. If you want to know New York session times, go to indicators, and then you put trading sessions, and now we're in London, and next it'll be in New York. This is where you get most of the volume, all right? And when it breaks through a fair value gap, soon as it pops its head up above, then you can long the market, all right? So let's go back. All right, so as you see, the trade's fluctuating. It's up 5, and it's at 3, 2, but I know where it's going to be going. I know it's going to test this, or if not, go up and grab more liquidity up here. So, and especially when New York times come in. So I'm leaving this trade open, and I'll close it for $10,000 to $15,000 profit. If you want to see that, head over to my Instagram. All the links is in the description, but it's Christian__Clayton. All right, very simple stuff. You use the link in the description for blofin. You can go to USD. No, first you go to assets here. See my assets I've got here. You go to deposit. You deposit whatever crypto that you want to deposit, and then you go over here and you have to convert from your funding account to USDT account. Very simple stuff. You use cross or isolated. I usually use isolated, to be fair, but I used cross because I was actually watching the trade. Isolated means it's just isolated to this trade, but if you like watching the trade, you're fine. You put it on market because that means it will buy straight away. Then you put how much percentage of your account you want to put in. All right, then you buy long, buy short. Very simple stuff. All right, guys, so make sure you use the link in the description. And like I said, I will be doing constant videos teaching you guys how to trade crypto in a bull or bear market. Yes, guys, by the way, before I end the video, this trade is up $9,000. $9,000, guys, with the strategy that I'm teaching you here for absolutely free. All right. And if you guys want to copy trade me, all you need to do is go to my Instagram, DM me the word copy trade, and you guys can literally copy trade every single one of my moves. All right. This is the chance. This is the time. Crypto is very volatile right now, which is good. That's what we're about to make. Look at this, $10,000. All live on this video. $11,000. $12,000. $14,000. $15,000. $16,000. Oh, shit. I'm about to close this trade. All right, guys. I'm out of here.